For me, the best thing about Christmas, of course, the food. The worst thing about Christmas, the leftovers. Now, I've come to see a bunch of guys that just can't escape from that unwanted turkey.
Doncaster Prison may not be renowned for its good food, but like many prisons, it runs a professionally recognised catering course to help rehabilitate inmates.
This is our kitchen, Gordon.
Again, with bars on there?
Yes.
Huh? Flippin' heck. This is a real Hell's Kitchen. Fucking hell.
There are 3,500 meals a day going out of this kitchen.
3,500 meals a day?
Yes.
I'm not too concerned about my dog tag. I'm just concerned with the fact that I can get the fuck out of here in an hour's time, that's all. OK, turkey leftover curry. Hello, guys.
I'll be cooking with Kieran, Baby, Daz and Jacko. I'm told they're the keenest cooks on X-Wing.
Serious? Rumour has it. And you're supposed to be the sort of curry expert. Yeah?
I won't say an expert.
No? But you love a curry?
I like a curry, yeah.
Yeah? Curry is the most popular dish in the prison, and it's also a great way to deal with leftover Christmas turkey. So I'm going to show the men of X-Wing how to make a Thai red curry. Red chillies, OK, obviously. Garlic, lemongrass and ginger. Have you used lemongrass before? No. No? Cut it in half. OK. Yeah, have a little smell. Lovely. That's really nice and fragrant. You smelled that before? Yes, have a smell of that. Lovely. Fresh lemongrass. Beautiful. And that'll do, just because it smells nice and sweet, almost like vanilla. Really nice and lemony and fresh and fragrant. That lightens up the curry. So this is where we make the paste. And the way to mix it now is just get all the ingredients into a blender. We're doing it today with turkey. But, you know, this paste is great if you're making a fish curry. Right, there's your onion. Yes, there's my onion. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's have a competition. You know how competitive chefs are, yes? Right, what do you reckon? We'll take him at the first half, or do you reckon he'll be finished before me?
He's pretty good.
He's pretty good. Right, knife down, the whole thing chopped and ready to go. Right, Dad?
Set, go.
Come on, Kieran. First half. Hold on a minute. Hey, fancy a job? Hey, I'm serious, fancy a job?
Yeah.
Not 25 quid a week, big boy, 25 quid a day.
Yeah.
When you out?
2007.
OK, 2007, give me a call and come spend a day with me at the kitchen, OK?
Yeah.
To make the curry, we fry off the onions, add our curry paste, and then pour in coconut milk for a rich, creamy flavour.
Nice.
Then, as it cooks down, we add some monge too for colour and a bit of bite.
What are they called, Gordon, then?
They're called monge too, or snow peas.
Snow.
Snow peas, yeah. It gives a really nice sort of texture, slightly sweet as well. Now the turkey meat, and mix it through. Nice. Keep on mixing that in, my man. Yep. Back up to the bowl. Now with the rice, we're going to make almost like a sticky rice. And we've got some cream coconut here. And the idea, of course, is to get the rice, cut up the coconut, and then just crumble that through there like this. Yep. Then from there, sprinkle the coriander through there. And what it does, it makes a really nice, fragrant rice. OK, 30 minutes for the rice?
Yeah.
How's the rice? Lovely. Go on, Tommy. Good. Should we get over there? How are you, big boy?
It smells lovely, that
Yes. Finished with fresh coriander.
Thank you.
Yeah? Good man. So what do you reckon then, so far?
Yeah, really nice.
Yes?
Yeah, really nice. What's that put in rice?
Right, enjoy that.
Yeah, gorgeous.
No?
Beautiful.
Merry Christmas, big man.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry Christmas, Joe. Thanks for that.
Not at all. Let me say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Huh?
Cheers, Gordon.
Don't be late. Don't be late.